Welcome to AppScript. In this video, we are going to learn about formatting. We want to learn about color formatting, how you can change background color, font size, and different things we can do. So for this, click on extension, go to AppScript. First, we define the function. We call this formatting. And first, we need to define a variable sheet. Get active spreadsheet dot get active sheet. Now we'll define range. So our range would be C2 C7. Call this a sheet dot get range C7. First we are going to see font size. For this we'll take range dot set font color. We're going to change okay, first thing we'll font size, made it 16. Okay, let's run this. See, we have increased our size. So next thing we are going to learn about font. Okay, we're going to make it bold. Okay, so to do this, range dot get weight, get font weight, and make it bold. If I run this, oh sorry, oh, sorry, it's not get font, it's set font. See, it become bold. If we do it again, see, and we can also change font size. So to make this, okay, first we can also set change its you know font like family. So here are some options that is available. So let's say I want to make it lobster, or let's say I want to make it impact. So for this, range dot set font family, and make it what we want, impact. Let's run this. See, I made this. And now I want to change its style. Set font style, and I want to make it see. Okay, so first I don't want to make it I just want to make it Arial. Okay, okay, so now you can see this. I want to change its color also. Change its color where, okay, mm, range dot set font color. So we want to make it red. You can do it by code also, but I'm directly doing it red. Okay, now for background. So we want to set the background, so range dot set background, and then if we made it green, it's very bad, so we will make it yellow. See, say we made it mm, green. It's a very bad combination, but we're just testing it. So this is how you can do color formatting and change font. Okay, font formatting also. So this is how you can do this in AppScript. In next video, we're going to see how you can do conditional formatting in AppScript. So thanks for watching this video.